Hello students, this is part 2 of chapter heat. In the previous class we have discussed the effect of heat like physical change and chemical change. In this class we will discuss the construction and working of thermometer. Many of the physical properties like thermal expansion, pressure, volume of different material change with temperature. Thermometer is a device that measures the temperature of a body. It is based on the principle of thermal expansion. It consists of a narrow tube of glass that is closed at its upper end and has a bulb at its lower end. The bulb is filled with mercury. The mercury present in the bulb of the thermometer expands when heated. The length of the thread in the capillary tube thus gives us a measure of the temperature of the object. Two scales that are used to measure the temperature are Fahrenheit and Celsius. Mercury is used in a thermometer because mercury expands in a uniform way. It remains in its liquid state over a wide temperature range. It does not stick to the walls of the glass capillary tube and is a shining silvery liquid. It is because of these reasons that mercury is used in ordinary thermometer. The range of laboratory thermometer can be from minus 10 degrees centigrade 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. We can change the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius scale by the formula C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9, where C stands for Celsius and F for Fahrenheit. Let us suppose we convert the 100 degree Celsius in Fahrenheit. Let us remind the formula. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Put the value of C. 100 by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9 by cross multiplication. 5 into F minus 32 is equal to 100 into 9. F minus 32 is equal to 100 into 9 by 5. F minus 32 is equal to 180. Then F is equal to 180 plus 32. So Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. We can change the any other temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit by this formula. Clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. It is different from laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer. It is different from a laboratory thermometer. Thermometer in this way. Number 1, it is calibrated from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, because this is the range over which the temperature of normal body can vary. It means the normal human body temperature vary from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Second, it has a slight bend or kink. Slight bend or kink known as constriction in its capillary tube. The constriction ensures the mercury field. The bend or kink does not allow the mercury thread to fall back. Thank you. Have a nice day.